Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can download ChatGPT on your PC and even on your mobile device. So you have actually two options right here. You can download it through this application, ChatGPT or openai.com. And then here on desktop, choose whatever system you're using. If you're using Mac, then download for Mac OS. If you're using Windows like I am, then download for Windows. And then just click download. And then automatically that would install the ChatGPT installer. So just click on this and the next steps will follow. It'll ask you to install ChatGPT on your computer. Now, another way to download ChatGPT is through the Microsoft Store. So you can click this one, Microsoft Store, and then just click on ChatGPT right here. So you see it already has some reviews, so you'll know it's legit. Plus, it's in Microsoft Store already. Now, if you want to download it on your phone, just go to OpenAI again or type in ChatGPT download on your search engine, whether Google or Safari, and then just click on this one for mobile, download for Android, and that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, of course, please do hit the like and the subscribe button as we will be posting more videos just like this only here on Tech Help Guy.